Hi, Robert Rotzler again. We're going to examine Led Zeppelin's Four Sticks. Now, originally, Four Sticks did not have a string arrangement on it, and that all changed when Robert Plant and Jimmy Page toured with an Egyptian orchestra. They did a magnificent job, and they added a string section which included an Arabic scale to it, which is just out of the reach of most Western musicians. It's done in a scale called a maqam, an Egyptian scale that we're going to examine here, and we're going to inlay it into the song. Now then, most of you already have a working knowledge of the violin, and if you have a working knowledge of Led Zeppelin, you know the recurring theme within this song is... most of those notes. Those are all unsharped, unflatted notes. The notes are D, E, F, G, A, and B. Where it deviates is this. When the song picks up halfway through, and we've already heard that theme once, when the orchestra picks it up, we hear this. Now, what the heck happened? First of all, after we've done this lick again, we do a quick little turn of three notes, D, C, B, to the open A. So they add that. Then they go into a kind of syncopated offbeat figure. What's happening is we're having both B, C to B, and A flat to G, making this scale. Now, the figure they use, this Arabic maqam, is actually what we would call the last four notes of a C minor harmonic minor scale. The four notes being G, A flat, B natural, and C. So then, if we employ that in the middle of this figure, after starting now. And then back to... Back to that driving figure that opens the work. Now, real quick, that last figure, after we employed the Arabic bit, is A to G, F, G, C sharp, D, E. You have your options here. You can either do open E and double the second finger in third position E, so you have twice the notes going. And you can drop the second finger in a glissando down and give that effect back to the A. Same figure, but this time it terminates on a D at the top. This figure washes back and forth twice, and then it goes back into that figure, of course, being B natural C, open D, F natural. They make more use of those four notes. They drive it in. They lean on it. And it gives it an ethereal effect almost, because we can't tell if this is Western music or if this is Eastern music, and we can't tell just what its origin. And it's that ambiguity that makes Led Zeppelin so savory to our ears. I'm Robert Rotzler, and stick around. I'll see if I can play that part again for you all. Thanks. Now we're going to put it together and see what this looks like. Anyway, that's all for this Led Zeppelin song. We will examine more stuff in the near future. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment if this intrigued you at all. Thank you again. I'll speak to you soon.